In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change your license plate light bulbs in a Toyota Sienna minivan. This one is a 2011 model, but the same instructions will likely work for other years. The bulb type you need is number 168 and looks like this. This pack contained 2 bulbs for only $5. Once you have your replacement bulbs, pop the rear door and remove the plastic panel covering. It's easier to remove than it looks. If necessary, use a flathead screwdriver to detach one corner, then carefully pull the panel off and set aside. Here are the 2 license plate light bulb locations. To remove them, turn the bulb base counterclockwise and pull them out. You may need to use a wrench or pliers if they are difficult to turn. Now, simply remove the old bulb by pulling it out and replace the bad bulbs with new ones. Put the light bulbs back into the holes and turn the base clockwise. You may want to test the bulbs out by turning on your car lights before putting the rear door panel back on. When you put the panel back on, take note of these slots to put the tabs into first. Then simply snap it back in place. Finally, close the rear door and turn on the lights to test them out. If all goes well, they will now work and you have probably saved $100 or more by changing these light bulbs yourself. If this video was helpful to you, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tutorials and random videos like this one. Thank you for watching and have an awesome day.